What up? It is your girl Raina Rhea or Raina Rayan, whatever you prefer to call me, as long as you call me something. You dig? I know you dig. Okay, so look, we are no stranger on this channel here to Shein videos. We've done clothes, shoes, accessories, but there was something missing. I just couldn't put my finger on it. Like, what else can I do? I discovered every corner of Shein minus one, and that's the hair. And let me tell you something. What I found on that website was interesting, to say the least. Now, I will say, before I get into this video, I was extremely skeptical. I'm only clothes-minded. Clothes-minded. I'm not looking for hair. I'm not looking for that. That's not where my attention is flowing. But lucky me, they reached out to me. Y'all know how long I've been talking about this. Please don't act brand new. I've been saying it in like every video. So I am proud to say that this video is in collaboration with Shein. They sent me this wig to review for y'all today. And you know one thing about me, I'm gonna review it down. Anyways, let's get into the description of the hair. Shein sent me a 26-inch lace front wig, a 13x4, 180% density, 613. In this video today, we're going to be unboxing. We're going to be dyeing the hair, laying the lace. We're going to be doing all that in this video. Styling, dyeing, unboxing, reviewing. All of that in this one video here. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get into it. I also want to show you how it looks out of the pack. I want you to get a view and a feel for it. So we're going to get into the unboxing portion. So I'm going to switch microphones so that I can have both my hands free. So, all right, we're back. This is the box that it came in. It's nice and pinky cute. Let's open her up. They have some cards, you know, yada yada. It's time to get to the hair. I'll show you right here, but I'm going to go in the bathroom and really show you, because that's where all the magic is going to be happening for today. The dye, the everything. So this is her. Ooh, this is her 613. This is her. I want to say this is slightly pre-plucked, or at least it looked like that because it's blonde. I don't know. The construction is nice. It's, you know, it's standard, has 4 clips, 4 combs. But yeah, let's take this party in the bathroom. All right, we took this party to the bathroom. I am just showing y'all up close of the hair. I think that the hairline is really full, but it still gives a little bit of pre-pluck, if you know what I'm saying. I think it looks really pretty up against my hand. If you can see my hand through the lace, it's gonna eat. Just watch, just watch. Interesting thing about this unit, the back actually has some lace for you to put in a ponytail. So, yeah. On to my favorite part, the actual dyeing. We're gonna be using Adore Platinum and Titanium for the first round. And then we'll be using black, jet black. Toning because we don't want a brassy blonde. And I use the shimmer lights over the other one. And then I put conditioner in the mixture. Now let me tell you why I did that. I saw it on TikTok, so that's why I did it. But don't put too much in there. Put some water in, make sure it's as hot as possible. Make sure the mixture is mixed so you don't have patchy hair. And then everything else is self-explanatory, so I'm gonna let the video show itself. Then you just straight up dip it in the water. Now, for me, the ends do take faster than the roots, just always how hair works. So I liked to try and put more of the beginning of the hair in the water for longer and then take the end out. But put the whole thing in there for about 5 minutes and come back and see how you like it. Be careful not to do it too long because it will tint your hair purple and you don't want that either. I got it to this point and I felt like it looked pretty good. It didn't look brassy anymore. So I'm satisfied. I wring it out in the sink, not hot water. Wring it out and then we can get to the dye process. I tried to use the dye sparingly, but babes, put the dye in there. You'll see, I went from this color to a much darker color because it wasn't taking as well as I wanted it to. So don't be afraid to use the dye It'll look completely different when it's dried, so keep that in mind. This is how we are looking after that round of dye. Now we're going to go ahead and dye the ends with the jet black. Keep in mind, this is not like a severely real dye job. It's gonna be like a tint. It's gonna be a tint, so don't think it's gonna be jet black for real. Just trust the process. This is the final wet dyed look. Hold on, wait, I'll show you. Okay, y'all, we are back in the room. Here's what we are looking at right now. The color, I know it looks a little frizzy, but that's because this is blow dried. I blew it out. This is the color. The roots are a little wet because I plucked it just a little bit, but this is it. Oh my gosh, it's so thick and like it's such a pretty silver color. Like, just to give like a estimate of where it sits on me, it comes to about, if I look straight, about right here. Boom, potato head. All right, let's get into the install. I cut holes by the ears. This is like nothing fancy, y'all. You can find a video of like a true install all over YouTube. But anyways, I cut holes by the ears, spray the cap down. I don't like this hold, so I'm gonna use this on my lace. All right, so I saw this girl do this on TikTok. She just take the flaps, tie it in a little bow in the back, and then tuck the bow under. Tell me that's not smart. It's smart because I'm doing it, so it gotta be smart. Putting the wig back on. So I put it in 3 little ponytails to keep the hair out of the face and not risk cutting it while I'm cutting the lace. Using the black one. With the spray, I typically do 2 to 3 layers because I want this to stick on my forehead. So this is what the hair looks like so far, flat ironed. I think it looks pretty good. But I still have all of this to do, so I'm gonna finish that, take the band off, and then we'll go from there. All right, so this is round 1. I know the back is probably a little, but hey. Round 1, we said round 1. I took the band off and it gave crunch, but it's okay, we're gonna fix it. So first thing you wanna do is break up some of that crunch. You run a comb through it, you pull it up, it still keeps its shape, if that makes sense. All right, I'm gonna cut a little bit more off over here, like right here. But it's shaping up a little bit. It look crazy, but it's shaping up, hold on. Okay, this is where we're at. All right, so this is it so far. Let's go back in the room and sit down. Whew, sorry for the technical difficulties, y'all, but we are finished. This is the end result. I'm gonna try doing 360 and let me lift the ends up so you can see. So a flat iron is really nice. It's super soft. It didn't have that fishy smell out the bag. I forgot to say that, but it didn't have that fishy smell right out the box. Which if you know, you know. You know, you know. This is it. Hopefully you get the picture and that you can see all of it. If you can't, I'm sorry. Thank you again, Shein, for sending me this wig. It's everything. A 26 inch. I have had a 26 inch in a minute too. Like, this is probably the longest wig that I got sent in, I don't know, this year, or I think within the last 2 years. Yeah, so Shein, you did your big one with this one. I like it. I do like it. So y'all let me know what y'all think of this. I know the install probably could have been a little better, but you know, I'm novice with the lace fronts. My area of expertise is braiding. This, you know, we working on it. We gonna get better. We only gonna get better from here. This will conclude this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please go buy this wig. Go and buy this 613 wig. Human hair. If you don't want this wig, you know, just say it's not your cup of tea. You're not a 613 girly. That's fine. They have a plethora of different wigs. So just go ahead on their website, or you can search in their app and put in human hair wigs, and their whole list will pop up. Thank you so much, y'all. I hope y'all have a wonderful night. Bye. Oh, wait. Y'all, I got one question for you. Just one little question. Who gonna pop me? Who is going to pop me? Oh, yeah. That's right. No freaking body. Now y'all can have a good night.